Hello, my name is Kevin Holland. I'm a clinical imaging specialist with GE Healthcare.
And I am Allison Cook. This video will discuss OEC One CFD brakes. Press the brake to free position to release the rear steering wheel. The pedals are located on each side of the system. The right steering handle will turn the rear wheels to the right or left from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Use this feature to position the C-arm during clinical applications or transport. Turn wheels into desired position. Press the brake pedal to the brake position to lock the rear steering wheel. Please note, the right steering handle will not turn when wheels are locked. Horizontal crossarm. Release the crossarm brake by placing the brake handle in the position identified by the unlock label. Push or pull the crossarm to desired position. Lock the crossarm brake by placing the brake handle in the position identified by the lock label. The crossarm extends a maximum of 20 centimeters. Use the centimeter scale located on the crossarm as an aid in positioning. The horizontal crossarm associates with the color green. Wigwag. The movement range of wigwag is 12.5 degrees. Release the wigwag brake by placing the brake handle in the position indicated by the unlock label to enable the wigwag movement of the C-arm. Lock the wigwag brake by placing the brake handle in the position indicated by the lock label to lock the wigwag movement of the C-arm. The color associated with wigwag is yellow. Monitor adjustment. The monitor can be placed by articulating the arm. The extension arm rotation range is 210 degrees. Move the monitor to the proper position for best viewing. Lateral rotation or tilt. The C-arm can provide 205 degrees of lateral rotation on the crossarm axis. This is otherwise known as cranial or caudal tilt. Lateral rotation is associated with the color orange. Orbital rotation. To lock or unlock, turn either of the brake handles. The C-arm provides 150 degrees of orbital rotation. The black arrow helps indicate position. Orbital rotation is associated with the color blue.
Thank you for watching.
Check out our other videos on C-arm tips for rad techs.